Hello friends, welcome to Acquire IAS. Today we are going to discuss MCQs on current affairs, right? MCQs on current affairs, and before attempting these questions, you must refer the current affairs of 26th November 2020, right? 26th November 2020. Read this news and then you can easily attempt these questions. And the summary of the 26th November 2020 is posted in our Telegram channel, so you can visit our Telegram channel, friends, right? So the links will be given in the description box. You can follow there. You can contact me on this following number 9640123412, and this is the day 14, friend. This is the 14th lecture on the MCQs which we have started, and this series will continue from May. Let me check this. Yes, friends, this series will continue from May 1st to May 31st of 2020 here, 2021 here, right, friends? May 1st to May 1st 2022, May 31st 2021, and your UPSC prelims date for 2021 is 27th of June, right? 27th of June. So now let us move further, friends. The first question of this series is Chembarambakkam. Chembarambakkam Lake is a lake located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Second statement says during Chennai's water crisis of 2019, this lake has been dried up. And third, that is option number C, says acute sedimentation has eaten more than 40% of its water holding strength. Which of the following is the correct answer? Option number 1 only A, option number 2 only B, option number 3 both A and B, both A and C, and option number 4 all of the above. That is, the correct answer for this is all of the above is the correct answer, friends. That is, option number A, B and C are the given correct statements, right? So it is located, Chembarambakkam Lake is located in the Chennai in Tamil Nadu, right? It has been dried up in the water crisis of 2019, and it has been lots of sedimentation by this. More than 40% of its water holding strength has been gone, right? So now let us see the location of this Chembarambakkam in the map. So this is your map, friends, right? So Chembarambakkam Lake, here it is located. I hope you can see this, right? So you can see here. Next we will see further. The second question of the series is the academic award popularly known as Padma Award. The Academy Award popularly known as the Padma Award. Option number B, given annually. This Padma Award will be given annually by the Academics of Motion Picture Arts and Science. Choose the correct answer. Option number 1 only A, option number 2 only B, option number 3 both A and B, option number 4 neither A nor B. So which of the following is the correct? Now let me tell you the answer. That is, only 2 is the correct, only B is the correct, friends. 2 is the correct answer, because this is the academic awards popularly known as not the Padma Award but the Oscar Award, right? Oscar Award, right? It is called as the Oscar Award, right? So only 2 is the correct, and if you make here Oscar Award, then both A and B will be the correct, but as per the question only 2 is the correct answer, right? So next we will see further. Third question is Cyclone Neelam occurred in 2012. Cyclone Nivar occurred in 2020. Choose the correct answer. option number 1 only A, option number 2 only B, option number 3 both A and B, option number D neither A nor B. The correct answer for this question is option number 3 is the correct, that is both A and B. Neelam occurred in 2012 and Nivar occurred in 2020 recently, before 2 days, right? So now we will see another question. Fourth question is option number A says naval exercise Ausindex held between Austria and India. Option number B, Mitra Shakti exercise held between India and the Sri Lanka. Choose the correct answer. Option number 1 only A, option number 2 only B, option number 3 both A and B, option number D is neither A nor B. So here Ausindex, the exercise has been held in recently, but it is not between Austria and India, but it is held between Australia, right friends? It is held between Australia and India, and the second statement is correct. So by this, option number 2 is the correct, only B is the correct, that is Mitra Shakti exercise held between India and the Sri Lanka, right? So next we will see further. Next question is National Investment and Infrastructure Fund is India's first infrastructure specific investment fund that was set up by the government of India in 2015. Option number B says NIIF, that is National Investment and Infrastructure Fund, manages 3 kind of funds, that is master fund, fund of funds and strategic funds. Choose the correct code. Option number 1 only A, option number 2 only B, option number 3 both A and B, option number D neither A nor B. So here first of all let me tell you the answer. Answer for this is option number 3 is the correct, that is both A and B are the correct. It was set up in 2015 and by this time who is the finance minister? Then it was Arun Jaitley, right? Arun Jaitley was the finance minister, right? And now let us see little bit about the fund of funds. I mean 3 kind of funds, that is master fund, second one is fund of fund and third one is strategic funds, right? So what does the master fund mean? What do you understand by master fund? For example, this is the core areas, this is the sub-core areas, these are the areas, right? This master fund will focus on core of the core areas. That means whatever it is most important, right? Whichever it is most important, further it will focus. Now here we will see what are the areas it will come under this, like education, like education. Second one is road, next sanitization, right, etc. So it will come under the master fund. Next, second one we will see fund of fund and strategic fund. Fund of fund will invest in greenfield and brownfield industries, right? Greenfield and brownfield industries. Next, what does this strategic fund mean? It will invest in long-term equities, right? It will invest in long-term planning, long-term equities, long-term strategies, right? In short, it will invest in long-term, right? So I hope you understood about this master fund, fund of fund and strategic funds. So friends, if you are not understood about any of these things, you may comment me or you can call me on this following number, right? And if you have any doubts regarding this as well or any else, you can call me on this following number, or else you can just telegram me on this Acquire IAS, right? You can download here various kind of PDFs like employment news, various other kind of PDFs, news analysis on daily basis, next snapshots, etc. Right friends? So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like, share, comment friends, and turn on the notification icon bell. By that you can get the instant notification from this channel, right? So thank you very much friends, have a great day.